Hi everyone, we meet again in my YouTube channel Cooking with Lady Zai. So welcome to all of you. Of course today I'm going to cook something very special menu for lunch or dinner, and that we call it is cabbage in coconut milk. So let's see the ingredients. Cabbage, green and red chilies, onions and garlic, coconut milk, dried shrimps, tofu, water, salt, sugar. First we cut the cabbage coarsely. Put the cabbage aside. Okay, I'm going to cut my tofu, but this is optional. If you have, you can use it. If you don't have, it doesn't matter. Next, I'm going to slice thinly the onions. The garlic. Okay, half of the big onions I'm going to cut into wedges. This is just to give colors into our dish. Okay, next is my chilies. I'm using green chilies as well as my red chilies. We put aside. Okay, first we boil the water. Together with the onion and garlic, and also the dry shrimp. Once it starts boiling, I will add in salt, a bit of sugar, the chilies, and also the coconut milk. Okay, once it starts boiling, I'm going to add in the cabbage. Finally, I'm going to add the onions. This is to give colors to our dish, and also the tofu. We leave it to boil until the cabbage is soft. Okay, when you see it start boiling and the cabbage is cooked, you can just put on the fire. So it's cooked now, then you can serve. Okay, here my dish is ready. It's a very simple dish which is very popular, where you serve it with white rice, and it is very popular in Asia for lunch, also dinner. So for those who wish to try, please subscribe, share and like my YouTube channel Cooking with Lady Zai, and press the bell button.